Infatuation Scripts, the brainchild of Clayton Max and Emma, and it takes you through all the secret phrases that can be used to not only make any man fall head over heels for you, but also ensure that he feels that you're the only one for him, the woman of his dreams that he has always dreamed of spending his entire life with. It reveals to you the step-by-step method to make your man commit to you and forget all the other women around you. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Women usually have the tendency of trying too hard to please the man she likes, and that often ends up making the man want to run in the opposite direction, sadly even into the arms of another woman who isn't even trying at all. The truth is that men do not fall in love with your cooking or your looks or your ability to constantly chase them, but instead they feel hooked in the way you make them feel emotionally. This is where Infatuation Script works its magic. It shows you how to emotionally connect with your man and not just get to his heart but also stay there. This program promises to teach users to use her own heart and feelings to connect to that of the man she likes, making him want to commit to no one but her. The Infatuation Script program is a downloadable PDF that contains various scripts that include secret gestures and phrases that trigger his infatuation instinct, which basically makes your man focus all his desires and love on you, while shutting out any other woman. All you have to do is to follow the program religiously and devotedly to get the man of your dreams. The program is designed in such a way that it works on almost all men of all age groups without a fail. Whether you desire a man of younger age or older age, just follow the instructions carefully and you will find yourself there in his heart soon. It is in fact not wrong to say that this program opens a door to your man's heart and make you come close to him no matter what. When you get this program, you don't only get the main program guide, but many other bonus guides that can help you win your man's heart and will make him yours forever. The added bonuses give the user a deeper understanding into relationships and men. The main concept and steps are very easy to understand and use. There is no need to by heart everything. User can skim through the guide and decide on which script will work on her man. Click the link in the description below this video for details.